But we could vlog here. This is a good spot to vlog. After we do a session, we say, we just did a session and we decided to vlog. And
I don't feel like vlogging. We haven't feel like vlogging in 10 months.
and we promised the people that we weren't going to go ghost like that again, and then we did.
You think they really want to listen to us?
I mean, somebody cares, even if it's just one person.
We got something to say to somebody?
Or somebody cares.
What we vlog about?
I don't know what you want to talk about. Let's talk about sex, baby. You know I love talking about sex. There's so many things to talk about.
I don't want to talk about sex.
I know.
I think that if we had to say something in 5 minutes, because that's all the time I've got, what would it be?
Well, this is a marriage vlog. So give the people something.
Remember we did spiritual fatigue?
Yeah.
Marriage fatigue.
Marriage fatigue.
We did that.
Yeah, and you had your big old, you had your marine cap on.
Right.
I said, babe, why are you dressed like that? Marriage fatigue. Everything was marriage fatigue. You don't have marriage fatigue, do you?
No, I don't have it. I think people are tired of being married.
Oh.
I think that people are tired of just being married for whatever reason. Whether it's the husband, whether it's the wife, they're just tired of being married, and they don't know how to get out of that sleep. What else deep? How to get out of that sleep?
Well, if we're going to explore that, you have to find out what makes you tired, right? What makes you fatigued? Because, you know, as therapists, you know, we've heard a lot. We've heard the communication barriers is fatiguing.
Mm-hmm. Let me turn this off because it's going to make noise on the speaker.
I'm hot though, but that's okay. Turn on. The communication patterns can be fatiguing, right? Parenting while married can be fatiguing. Working outside of the home and then coming back home to work can be fatiguing. So there's different things that cause fatigue in marriage. Sometimes it's not the marriage, and sometimes it is the marriage.
Sometimes it is the person that's making it fatiguing.
Right. Well, here's the thing. Two healthy people that are fatigued look very different from two unhealthy people or just one unhealthy.
Oh, that's a little thing there.
I'm just saying, right? Because you could be going about your business, minding your business, just living your life, and you're married to someone that's got borderline personality disorder. Mm-hmm. Or married to someone who's bipolar. Or married to someone who has other personality disorders. Or undiagnosed depression. Right? Mm-hmm. And then they just kind of wonder why she don't go to work, why she won't get up, what's up, what's wrong with her?
Right.
You know, so it's like, that makes it fatiguing. Or there is over 50% of people walking around in marriages undiagnosed.
So you're talking about, you focused on undiagnosed, untreated mental health issues that can make marriage fatiguing.
Yes, and I think it's actually higher than 50. I want to say from when I'm getting the numbers wrong. I think it's more 80.
That's
undiagnosed. Undiagnosed.
Okay, so we got to do a vlog on that. Was that a vlog just now?
Yeah, well, sure enough was.
We gotta go.
So now that you know
what you gonna do,
go get diagnosed.
We need to